Happy Friday, everyone. Miss Mickelson and I just wanted to thank you guys for putting in such great time and effort into this first week. I know it's not ideal, but you guys are rock stars and you're doing awesome. So we really appreciate that. If you were not able to finish anything from the Monday through Thursday, please get on that as quick as you can today because we have a full day of activities for you to complete today for Friday, April 3rd. So just running through some things real quick for you. This video has everything you need to know. This week at a glance is in your drive. That also has everything you need to know for every single day. And then we also have been emailing you as well. So in the email that you should have received from one of us, just going to run through this a little bit. Daily attendance form and the email from Miss Quell. That should be done every single day. Try to get that in as quick as you can when you get up in the morning. Also, watch the Seesaw morning announcement. That should be this one for today. Do that every single day. New ones coming in now. Number 3, look over the schedule for today, found in that week at a glance, and then take this quiz. So you guys click this one, or a survey, excuse me. Click this survey. It's just going to help us let us know how much time you put in for math, reading, and so forth. So if you could take that, students, that would be awesome. Shouldn't take you any more than 4 or 5 minutes. A couple little things that you guys need to know now. So step 4 here, in math, the new thing, complete the study link is page 269, not your math journal. So what you're going to do is it's a picture of this study link that's in Schoology. You're going to record you solving some of these videos in Seesaw. All right. So or some of these problems. So in the study link, page 269, it's right up in here. I'm in math right now. Lesson 3, 9.6. Do not do your math journal like we just said. Do your study link 9.6. You can click into that. The assignment is right here as well, just like in the email. You can watch the video from Mr. Green so you know how to do it. And then in this study link on 9.6, you only have to do a video of questions 3 and 4. Don't even do questions 1 and 2. And then solve them somehow in Seesaw. So this is the first time of us doing this. Make sure you're doing it the right way. It's not your math journal. It's not in Schoology for your video. You're going to solve these 2 into Seesaw. So what does that look like? Well, we have some awesome videos. Some kids have done it already. Somebody has a video of them solving a problem. Great job, Hayden. Another one with Caleb that he did a picture and was able to outline it with some markings on Seesaw by Caleb there. And then getting real creative here with Maria. A lot of really good problems done so far, so we really appreciate that. If you hit this add button right here, you can post as a video, you can post as a note or a drawing, and then you can talk over it in the comments. So the first time that we will do that for this week, we'll start doing it again next week a little bit more too, so get used to that. So those are kind of the big ones. The other ones that you have maybe done before, Live Your Skids, number 3, just upload that picture into Schoology. Lit groups, comprehension questions. As of Thursday evening, Thursday afternoon, the questions were back on to Schoology, and Schoology was up and running. Just hoping that it works for you guys again today. Please just write your response on paper if it's not working, and then we can put it into a picture as well. There's the next one. Try to complete your 3rd paragraph. And then a couple other little things. We'll be meeting in our small groups. The Monday, Wednesday group will meet today. Since we couldn't do that earlier this week, you guys can click here and find out if that's you or not. And then sign of the beaver. You don't have comprehension questions today. You just meet with us today at 10 and 10:30. So your times and your links are both into those. So please click into those, and we'll see you then.